And as you can see, it did a pretty good job. My previous robotic pool cleaner is no longer reliable, and so in this video I'll be going over the Aiper Seagull Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner that I recently purchased, which happens to be a CES Innovations Awards winner for 2023. The main features of this cleaner are that it is cordless, uses path planning, has a quad motor system, long battery life, cleans larger pools, and has wall cleaning capabilities. Awesome! Don't mind these curious guys. There are two rescues, Covey and Ollie, coming for attention. Now, let's get this unboxed. First thing here is a tip/quick reference card. Next is this large poster card of the robot. An envelope full of documentation. And the accessories box. In here we have a large fast charging brick and a retrieval hook for a pool pole. Finally, the robotic pool cleaner itself. Be sure to read the instructions manual, especially numbers 6, 7, and 11, which as you can see here, I have my charger connected to a surge protector. Once plugged in and charging, or when on and in use, you can tell the battery state from the color of the LED on the mode select knob. Green means greater than 90% charge, blue 50 to 89% charge, yellow 10 to 49% charge, and red is less than 9% charge. As you can see, mine straight out of the box is lit up blue and charging. Okay, it's been some time and my LED indicator is steady green, which means it's now fully charged. My pool currently has debris down at the bottom, so this should be a good test for my new robotic pool cleaner. As I mentioned earlier, this is replacing my old pool cleaner here, where the tracks keep falling off, even after replacing them. This last time it bound up and ripped one of the rollers right out of the body, so this was the last straw. Alright, first let me go ahead and pull this old robotic pool cleaner out. And as you can see, it's completely messed up with the tracks continuously falling off, so I just kind of gave up on this with the amount of maintenance and parts that I've put into it already. Okay, just about ready to put the new Aiper robotic pool cleaner in. Like the instructions say, got to make sure that your charging port is completely sealed and that none of your pool filtration system is running during the cleaning process. So you've got 3 modes of operation, which are walls only, auto, which does the floor and the walls. When the battery is completely full, the first 50% will do the floors, and then once it gets past 50%, it will switch and do the walls. And you could do floors only. So, oh, forgot to peel. Let me go ahead and peel that off. So I will start off with the full auto, and you'll see that it lights up. And just go ahead and set this in slowly. The cleaner's motors will spin up within 10 to 15 seconds of entering the water. Just like that. Now just sit back and relax and let it do its thing. got quite a bit to clean up. We'll come back to this in roughly 2, maybe 3 hours to see the clean process. So the Aiper is about 60-70% done with its cleaning cycle, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job. If you remember earlier in the video, this area was full of debris down at the bottom of the pool, and as you can see, it is completely clean. Now, it still has to learn my pool, so there are a few things still at the bottom. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there's like maybe 2 or 3 very small leaves down there that it didn't find. Right now it's actually doing the waterline cleaning. While my betta skimmer is still doing its thing.
Keep a lookout for that video if interested. When the cleaner is done with its cycle, it parks near your pool walls for easy retrieval. Just use the included retrieval hook attachment.
We're supposed to let the water evacuate.
Now to empty the basket. And rinse it out. Because I have a salt pool, I also like to rinse the robot with fresh water. It's probably a good idea in any case to clean off any possible residual pool chemicals anyways. Then put the basket back together. And reinstall it into the cleaner. Finally, just dry it off, especially around the charging port. Once you verified the port is dry, which if you sealed it properly it should be, you can plug it in to charge and be ready for the next clean cycle. I've had this cleaner for about 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty impressed with the Aiper Seagull Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's much more convenient and less of a mess than dealing with all that cable from the old cleaner. If you happen to be shopping around and looking at this particular brand and model, I hope this video helps in one way or another. If you already have this cleaner, what has your experience been like? Do you have an alternate suggestion? Leave a comment down below. Please like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see any other videos I put out. And thanks for watching.